morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome back everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at why I mostly scalp forex, because some people have also been asking me why do I mostly scalp forex. So I decided to make one video about that. Okay, so in trading there are different class of trading, different categories you can trade. There are scalpers, day traders, swing traders, and position traders. What makes this different and what make us different? Let's take them one by one. A scalper is the guy who decides to trade in a shorter time frame. So in scalping, you're going to waste like basically an hour or 2 hours to complete your whole scalping. It can even be 30 minutes, it can even be 10 minutes. I remember one scalping video we did here, it was like 6 minutes or 7 minutes, and it was done. So scalping is very quick because you are looking for only a short space in the market to take some profit and you're out. And that actually requires extra skill. Let's come to day trading. Day trading is also a way of trading where you take your trades within the day, which means you have the full day to yourself. You are looking through the chart, you're looking through the market. Within the day, you have the whole day to yourself, so you're able to be patient to analyze the market and to take the trades within the day. So it can last for 4 hours, can last for 5 hours, can even last for the whole day, and you still be observing the chart and analyzing the chart. That is day trading. Then there is swing trading. In swing trading, we trade with higher time frames, which means that you are going to take your trades and you're going to wait for your trade to be executed and keep watching your trade for over 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or even a week. It can be 2 weeks. Why? Because you don't want to always be staring at the chart. You don't want to always be in the market. Maybe you are very busy, you are very tight, so you just want to take such trades and just over maybe a period of a month, you can take about 5 trades or even 3 trades or even 10 trades within the whole month as a swing trader. Then there is a position trader. The position trader is the guy who holds his trades for a longer period of time. So mostly position traders are hedge funds because they want to hedge their money. They trade for a different purpose. The purpose they trade is to be able to hedge their money. To hedge the money means that you are holding the money so that it doesn't lose its value. So let's say millionaires deposit their money into hedge fund accounts. Their main goal is to prevent their money from getting devalued, because money, when you put money over a long period of time, it loses its value. So when you hedge your money in a particular currency which is very strong, you can now protect your money, which means the money will not lose its value, because as the hedge goes higher, your money also goes higher. That is for position trading. So they mostly hedge, which means they can trade between 1 year, 2 years. They can even hold their trades as long as 5 years, and they are still holding their funds in a position, which means they look for a particular currency pair or particular asset where it's now strong enough to hold their currency over a period of time without losing its value. So each category we trade for a different purpose. But as day traders, as swing traders, or as scalpers, mostly we trade for profits. We are just here to make profit or to make income out of the market. The hedge funds, or as compared to the position traders, they also want profit, but the way they see profit is the same way. It's a different way we see profit as day traders or maybe swing traders or scalpers. Their profit, they just want a small margin of their profit, because their main concept, their main focus is to be able to protect the funds from devaluing. That's why they are even there as position traders or as hedge funds. So which of these is good? As a retail trader who is watching me, when you say retail trader, somebody in the house you want to learn how to trade, you can either be a day trader, you can either be a swing trader, or you can either be a scalper. So which of them should you choose? Scalping is for experts. Scalping is for experts because you need a short amount of time to be able to make decisions, which means you're going to trade on M1 time frame, which is 1 minute time frame. Each candle you are going to see will be 1 minute. So within 1 minute, you have to take your decisions. Within, if your entry is right, within 5 minutes you have to finish your analysis, and now you are ready to set your entry target and your stop loss criteria and so forth. So before you can trade as a scalper, you need a lot of experience. It's not anybody who can just trade as a scalper. If not, you're going to lose. You need a lot of experience to do that. So you are going to trade either on M1 time frame or M5 time frame. You are going to trade on a lower time frame because you don't have the whole day to yourself. You have maybe an hour to yourself or a full 2 hours to yourself. You try to be in the market and take your trades, and then you'll be out over some time. Maybe after 1 hour or after 2 hours, you'll be out. That's the rule of a scalper. That's how we trade as scalpers. Day trading, you are someone who has a whole day to yourself. maybe you are not going anywhere. So the days I'm not going anywhere at all, I do day trading. I trade on M15 time frame and I trade on H1 time frame, which means you have the whole day to yourself, but you don't have a complete full 1 hour or a complete full 2 hours to yourself to always be watching the chart completely. But as a day trader, you can still be home or you can still be at work and you peep at the charts, and small time you come and see what is happening in the chart. If your entry criteria has met, you now set your stop loss. If your entry criteria has met or your take profit target has set met, you just close your trade or something, and because you have the whole day to yourself, but you have piece of time within the day, or you can even have the whole day to yourself just to trade. But as scalper, you need dedicated 1 hour or dedicated 2 hours to just stay at the market and take your trade. After that, you are gone. So mostly when I'm going out to do something, when I'm having a very busy week, that's what I do. I do scalping. I just trade 1 hour and I'm done. I just trade within 2 hours, I'm done. Now I take my car and I'm out. Okay, so as a day trader, you have the whole day to yourself, but as a scalper, you have only few hours or few minutes to yourself. Then swing trading. I don't advise you are a beginner, you do swing trading, because swing trading is also for experts, because swing trading is very, very boring. You have to get enough time to be able to complete a swing trade. Because as a beginner, when you begin trading, watching 4-hour candlestick or daily candlestick to form and watching it is very, very boring. So as a beginner, you might not be able to do it at all, because it's going to be very boring for you. That's why it's not advisable for beginners to become swing traders. No matter how busy you are as a beginner, don't try to choose swing trading because it takes a longer period of time before your trade gets executed. No, don't do that. If you do, you're going to get bored and going to mess everything up. Moreover, as a beginner, you need a lot of experience. You need experience, which means you have to be training several patterns, several structures, several setups to be able to gain more experience, to become good at what you do. But in swing trading, it could be that the whole month you took about 4 trades, or the whole month took about 5 trades. In such scenario, you can't gain the experience as you're supposed to gain. It's only for those who already know what they are doing, and those who can just take even 1 trade within the month and they still know what they're doing and they are okay with it. But as a beginner, you need more practicals, you need to see more, you have to get more experience in the market. So our advice at the beginner, you don't do swing trading, okay? If you're a beginner, you're now quitting your job, or you're now entering into trading, don't try swing trading. Just do day trading. And don't try scalping too, because scalping, you need a lot of experience to make quick decisions, quick way to analyze the market, quick way to execute your trade, and quick way to enter. Though scalping is very profitable because it can take several trades within the day, but it's very stressful to do it. Within that 1 hour or 2 hours, you are very under stress. You are under stress to take your decision. So please don't do that. If you're a beginner, I advise you do what? You do day trading. Trade on M15 time frame, trade on H1 time frame, and then with that you can get enough time, ample time to make your decision. You can also get ample time to observe the market, and you can also get more sample trades within the month, because at least as a day trader you can take about 20 to 30 trades within the month. Let's say every day you take even 1 trade for the whole day. At least you're able to take at least 20 trades or 30 trades within the month as a day trader. But as a swing trader, you might take maybe 4 trades for the whole month, or let's say 6 trades for the whole month, even 1 trade for the whole month. So don't do that, okay? You won't gain your experience and you won't even see your profitability. So as a beginner, what did I say? As a beginner, try and do day trading. Okay, then when you become very good at what you're doing, you can still be doing day trading, or if you're very busy, you can do scalping. Or if you're very busy, you're very tight, you don't have the time to check the chart, then you can do swing trading. Okay, so swing trading and scalping is for advanced, and day trading is for somebody who can at least learn something and you begin trading. Okay, so now you get the difference. Good. So now back to the question, why do I like scalping forex? Is because forex is always 24/7. You don't need a particular time to scalp the forex, which means if you're very busy, it's okay, today I'm going to have only 1 hour to myself. You can just dedicate 1 hour and open your forex chart and just begin trading. But for online forex, let's say other asset class like stocks or any other asset class, it's open within a particular period of time. Which means if you don't have the whole day, to yourself, you cannot scalp that particular market if the market has not opened. Unlike other asset class where there is no much movement, forex has a strong movement in all the other currency pairs. There are also a lot of currency pairs you can trade as forex trader. So scalping the forex or day trading forex is always good. Okay, so that's the advantage you have over trading other asset class. So that's why I just like to trade forex. So I think the question is answered. If you also have any question you want me to talk about, just send me an email, ask your own question. Okay, if you ask a question in the comments below, I'll not really take it serious. I'll just take it as a comment. But if you are serious about it, you want to know more about it for me to make a video about it, then just send me an email that, okay, I want to be clear with this, and I can just reply to you. Okay, so that was all for this video. I'm Setowas, and thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Also, you're also welcome to join the upcoming weekend training program. If you want to learn how to day trade, then you can also join the weekend training program. Okay, you're always welcome. Just send a message to the description, link in the description below, and you can always join to learn how to trade. Okay, until then, take care of yourself and see you next time.